Yep, that's another toy. Let's open that. So this is something I have on my shelf for a long time now. I didn't test it because of the pandemic, and I didn't have really time nor the motivation, I would say, to test it. So this is a smoke extractor, both on Amazon. I'm not sure what it worth. I bought it a long time ago. I think the brand is Kobo. I don't remember even the name. So, what do we have? Kotto. It's not Kobo, it's Kotto. So we've got our filter, carbon filter, what I suppose. It's a bit smaller than I expected, but now it's pretty too late to send it back anyway. So we got a power supply. It's 12 volt 4 amps. Oh, it's pretty lightweight. Don't really trust this one. And we got our units. Oh, again, it's I was expecting to be a bit bigger to put it on the floor. And oh, the hose extracting hose is quite rigid. I can vouch for that. So yeah, this is going to be more on the bench rather than the open it from the side. What? I'm sorry, what? It's rather than open from the side. So what do we oh, it's just a piece of paper printed with a cheap inkjet. Setting up, plug or screw the tube into the base. It's already done. Attach the mini fume hood. It's already done. Blah blah. Plug it. Power supply, and then I just have, okay, it's on off, and then it's well past the max. We go 11, boys. Grip the sides and pull toward. Okay, it's just like that. And we already have, so we have a spare, this is a spare carbon filter. We've got cardboard. It's just cardboard. Okay. Really? So this is just a 12 volt, what I suppose 12 volt exhaust. We've got caps here, absolutely nothing else. Not even all the caps, just a potentiometer. And that's it. Okay, so I know why this was pretty cheap. Should do the trick because it's not really that far from a DIY solution. You just have, oh, okay, I get it. Okay, so yeah, I was saying it's like really not that far than a do-it-yourself solution. I was at some point thinking about doing my own, 3D print my own, and make a video about it, but yeah, you know, I think I got it for 70 Canadian bucks or 80 Canadian bucks, so I was, why not? Okay, so now I have to plug that. Ooh, I have what yep. Oh, I love my bench. So let's see how. Let's hear how noisy it is. Oh. Okay. Now we're talking. Okay. Oh. So suction seems. Ah! How can I put it in the camera? There. So suction seems okay. Here you get like the combs for the output, and see, small piece of paper. So oh no, it's working. It's working pretty great. It's a kind of noisy. So I would expect to. I would eventually put it like that, and then I could solder maybe on the other side because I'm right-handed. Yeah, maybe maybe give one or two twists on the top. Oh, my mic. So something. So yeah, it's there you go. So something like that, I would say. I would just keep it on the camera. And then I can work like that. So I will try to zoom and see how the extraction is actually working. So I need to reflow this chip, let's say. Oh, that's fine. Just trying to not put my head. So I'm really low, and you can see that it's totally getting the fumes. I really hope I will be able to catch that on the camera. I'm not really sure. I can't see it from where I am. That's pretty neat. So actually, if I'm going too low, the sound is. Let's try with just melting some. Yeah, even on the low, it's working pretty good. That's nice. It's, as you can see, it's really like plug and play, no big deal whatsoever. I'm actually surprised. So yeah, let's get that off. Yeah, it's quite noisy. Okay, let's not let's be honest here. It's quite, but again, it's like, so let's. Yeah, even at a really low. It's working pretty well. Well, I'm barely after powering the unit, and it's reasonable on the noise, and it's working pretty great. This is actually really simple, and yeah, I think I would have spent way more time to doing it myself. And yeah, so that was the fume extractor, the Kotto Fume Extractor. I'm going to put the link in the description. I bought it on Amazon, so it will be on amazon.ca. It's not affiliated, but if you want something like that, it's a pretty good alternative for a do-it-yourself solution. And yeah, I think I'm going to use it from now. So that's about it. So thanks for watching, and see you soon.